Alright folks, welcome back into another case with a Mac surgeon. Today's patient is MacBook Air 2018 model A1932. It came in for data recovery with no power. Let's take a look together and see if we can save the life of this patient. First of all, what we will do, we'll try to do our routine checkup. Let's take a look, see if there's in reality, if there's a power, yes or no. Okay, there's no power. Next step, what I will do, I will try to check, see what kind of power we are getting. Pay attention on the right corner, see what kind of power is getting. We need it. Okay, we do have a 5 volt and it's stuck there. 0.06. Let's check it the other port. Okay, both ports are getting exact same reading. Let's remove the bottom plate and check few voltages. Okay, the bottom plate is out now. Okay, the bottom plate is out. Oh, someone already was here. Okay, what I will do the next, I will try to check few components. At the same time, the battery is still connected. When you are checking with a multimeter, you have to be very careful when the battery is connected. Let me check it, see what kind of voltage we do have. Whenever you have an Apple device and you are trying to figure out where's your problem, before you open any schematic, it's a very good idea to start from these big coils, from these inductors. These are inductors. These coils, they need it because through these coils are running all the power rails. Okay, what I will do, I will try to check first if I'm getting our main power rail. Let's have it multimeter in a volt mode. Black probe into any silver area, into any ground. It doesn't matter. Here, everywhere you can use it as ground point. Okay, here. Next, let's check it. 0 volt. 0.17. Okay. 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 Basically, we don't have any power. That could be because the battery is completely discharged. Let's connect the power meter and start checking again and see if there's any change. Because us reading, you can see on the right corner, the one which says 5 volt with 0.06. It's almost is not consuming any current. That's a good sign and bad sign also, because usually these kind of cases when there's no consuming current, that could be reason there's on main PP bus some short on this model. Or this could be one of the easiest case on the unit in DFU mode that could be like DIY friendly repair, so anybody can do it. Let's check it, see if we are getting our voltage now. Here, nothing. Oh, okay, we do have our PP bus, which is 12 volt, 300 milliamp. Let's check our second power rail. Okay, we do have this one too. Is missing. Now there's also, I will try to check few more things with the PMIC to see if I do have some voltages on the PMIC. Let me zoom in. This is our power management control unit. Normally this unit should have some voltages. Let's see which one we do have. Okay, 0.8, 0.8, 1.1, okay, 1.8, and these are mainly CPU power rails. Okay, what I will do in this case, because as you can see, we do have our main PP bus, then we have our G3 hot 3.3 volt rail. At the same time, we do have 1.8 volt, 1.2 volt, 0.8 volt, 0.8 volt. This is a case which is telling me this unit is in DFU mode. What we have to do next, we have to connect the device into another laptop, so we'll be able to try to do restore of this unit. Actually, not restore, we have to do revive of this unit because the data is very important. This one, it came in for data recovery. Let me connect it to another device. At the same time, you can check it. Let's check to see if this device is in DFU mode. Here we are. The device is in DFU mode. Now the next step what I will try to do, I will try to do revive of the device. And at the same time, we will check it, see if this unit will turn it on or it will give us some error code. So it will give us some error code, then we can start checking from there to see what exactly happening. Looks we do have an easy case for today.
Really? Really?
You have to be very careful when you are trying to do revive of the device. Never ever try to do restore. If you will press the restore button, that means it will erase all your data and the unit will bring it into factory settings. What you have to do, you have to go in advanced and then from the advanced choose revive device. And let's wait. At the same time, we have to check on the corner here. As you can see right now, we do have already 20 volt, 0.3, which is very good sign. Okay, 0.5, 0.3. It will take a little bit time because it's doing the revive of the device. Now we do have also trackpad clicking, 1 amp, 0.8.
A few moments later.
Okay, here we are. We do have an Apple logo. This will take a little bit time to do the revive.
2 very boring minutes later.
Trackpad start clicking. Okay, we do have the lock. That means the unit will start now turning on. Here, chime, and here we are. This unit, this patient is saved. This one also was another case, like without microsurgery, and the patient was able to revive only with medication. And it's DIY friendly, which is mean here we have the data is saved and everything are present. Okay, next step what I will do when I'm having this kind of case, because on the beginning it was not charging. I do have a like 1.5 amp reading, but at the same time I wanted to check, see if this unit is charging or no. Let's check it. Multimeter in volt mode. One of the probe into ground, and the second one, as you can see, it's increasing 11 volt and it's going up. This one is telling me the unit also is charging. Okay, we do have another DIY friendly case. This patient is saved. I hope you enjoy it. If you wanted to see more of this type of cases, don't forget to share, subscribe and comment, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.